Introducing SolNbox, an all-in-one solution for solar power that pays for itself and provides for emergency preparedness. The SolNbox may look like an ordinary solar panel, but it's not. SolNbox is an all-in-one solar power station, providing clean, free electric power day and night, quietly and safely. SolNbox is simple, affordable, and safe. It doesn't require you to know anything about solar panels, charge controllers, power inverters, installation, permitting, or the electric grid. It's plug and play. If you can flip a switch or plug a power cord into a wall outlet, you're qualified to use a SolNbox. You can use this device to power just about anything: lights, computers, cell phones, rechargeable power tools, televisions, and you're doing all this with no fuel and zero impact on the environment. To use your SolNbox, all you need to do is place it in the sun. There, it converts the limitless free power of sunlight into electricity, storing it in its high-tech batteries. These state-of-the-art batteries can withstand thousands of charge and discharge cycles. The more you use your SolNbox, the more money you save. Who doesn't want something that pays for itself and helps you be prepared for the unexpected? Most solar power systems cost tens of thousands of dollars, and they require a lot of planning and expertise to get up and running. Not SolNbox, they're affordable for everyone. You take it out of the box, place it in the sun to charge, and the minute you've done it, you're using free solar power. It's that simple. To find out more about SolNbox, visit our website at www.solnbox.com. That's SolNbox.com. With a simple click, you can be saving money, the environment, and enjoying the benefits of being prepared for the unexpected. We have models to fit every budget. Please tell your friends about SolNbox and order yours today. Thank you for listening.